South Africa's energy transition is not only a national imperative, it is an industrial opportunity. Across the country, industrial parks, special economic zones, and industrial development zones form the backbone of economic activity. These spaces concentrate infrastructure, industry, and investment. But they can be more. They can become decentralized energy hubs, accelerating renewable energy adoption, strengthening grid resilience, and driving low-carbon industrial growth. The question is no longer whether industrial spaces can contribute to the energy transition. The question is how fast we can unlock their potential. The National Cleaner Production Centre, South Africa, the NCPC, is leading this transformation together with local and international partners. As a program of the DTIC, hosted by the CSIR, the NCPC advances resource-efficient, low-carbon and sustainable industrial development across South Africa. Working at the intersection of policy, industry and technical implementation, the NCPC serves as a national enabler, a technical partner, and a catalyst for sustainable industrial systems. Through strong partnerships with government, industry stakeholders and international funders, the NCPC is helping position industrial infrastructure as a cornerstone of South Africa's sustainable energy future. Sustainable industrial spaces integrate resources, infrastructure, and production systems into a more efficient, resilient whole. They embed renewable energy generation within industrial parks. They improve resource efficiency across facilities. They enable industrial symbiosis, where waste from one process becomes input for another, and they optimize resource flows across entire industrial ecosystems. The result? Decentralized generation capacity, waste minimization, reduced emissions, lower operational costs, greater investment attractiveness, and improved energy security. Industrial spaces are not simply geographic clusters. They are scalable platforms for industrial decarbonization. To unlock these opportunities, the NCPC, in partnership with the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, is implementing 4 strategic, globally supported programs across South Africa. Each program addresses a different layer of the sustainable industrial transition. The Global Eco-Industrial Parks Program, funded by the Swiss State Secretariat for Economic Affairs, SECO, from 2021 to 2028, introduces international eco-industrial park models into South Africa. Its focus is on resource efficiency, cleaner production, and industrial synergies, creating foundational eco-industrial systems within participating parks. The GEIPP currently supports 8 industrial spaces. The Sustainable Energy Systems for Industrial Development project, funded by the Global Environment Facility from 2023 to 2027, accelerates decarbonization through structured energy planning and sustainable energy models. It strengthens policy frameworks, builds technical capacity, and enables scalable energy system transformation within industrial zones. The Low Carbon and Positive Energy Industrial Spaces project, funded by the Government of Flanders from 2025 to 2029, led by UNIDO and implemented by the NCPC together with Green Cape, this project focuses on reducing energy consumption and scaling embedded renewable energy in line with South Africa's just energy transition. It supports industrial parks to become not only energy efficient, but energy positive. And looking ahead, the Global Clean Hydrogen Program, funded by the Global Environment Facility from 2026 to 2030, positions South Africa's industrial spaces for hydrogen-led development. By strengthening policy, institutional and financial frameworks, this program enables readiness for emerging clean hydrogen value chains. Together, these initiatives form a coordinated national platform, transforming industrial spaces into sustainable energy hubs. South Africa's energy transition requires scale. It requires coordination. and it requires action within the country's most strategic economic infrastructure. Industrial parks, SEZs and IDZs, are uniquely positioned to lead this shift. Through partnership, investment, and innovation, sustainable industrial spaces can deliver resilient energy systems, competitive industry, and measurable climate impact. Now is the time to engage. Connect with the NCPC Sustainable Industrial Spaces team. Explore partnership and investment opportunities. And join us in transforming industrial spaces into engines of sustainable energy and low carbon growth. Visit ncpc.co.za or sustainableindustrialspaces.co.za or email ncpc@csir.co.za.